A Chinese startup has unveiled a remarkable technological breakthrough that could redefine the way we think about energy. The company, Betavault, has developed a battery that can generate power continuously for up to 50 years, all without requiring a single recharge or any maintenance. This groundbreaking development promises to revolutionize a range of industries by offering a long-term, reliable energy solution. What makes this innovation even more impressive is the fact that it is powered by nuclear energy, but not in the way most people might imagine. This tiny device contains 63 nuclear isotopes, a feat of engineering that marks a significant milestone in the miniaturization of nuclear energy. According to Betavault, the new nuclear battery has already reached the pilot testing stage, and the company is preparing for mass production. This isn't just another prototype destined to sit on a lab shelf. It's poised to become a key component in various everyday technologies. The company envisions these batteries being used in everything from mobile phones to drones, where the need for reliable, long-lasting power is essential. Imagine never needing to charge your phone or replace the battery in a drone, no matter how long it's been in use. The potential applications for Betavault's nuclear battery go far beyond just consumer electronics. In a press release, the company emphasized that these batteries could be a game changer for industries that require long-term, sustainable energy solutions. Aerospace is one area where this technology could make a huge impact, powering satellites and spacecraft for decades without the need for maintenance or refueling. Artificial intelligence devices, medical equipment like pacemakers, and advanced sensors used in critical monitoring systems are also on the list of potential beneficiaries. Microprocessors, tiny drones, and micro-robots, all of which require small yet powerful energy sources, could also see a significant boost from this nuclear-powered solution. The implications of this development are particularly significant in the context of China's broader goals in technology and innovation. As the world moves toward the next wave of the artificial intelligence revolution, energy is one of the key factors that could determine which countries lead the charge. Betavault's nuclear battery could give China a substantial edge, offering a reliable and long-lasting power source for the AI-driven devices and machines of the future. At its core, this nuclear battery operates by harnessing the energy released during the natural decay of isotopes. As these isotopes break down, they release small amounts of energy, which the battery converts into electricity. While the power output is modest, around 100 microwatts of power and 3 volts, it is more than sufficient for small devices that require continuous, low-level energy over long periods. The battery's ability to consistently generate power for 50 years without interruption makes it a revolutionary energy solution for devices that are difficult or costly to maintain, such as satellites or remote sensors. Interestingly, the concept of nuclear batteries is not entirely new. Both the Soviet Union and the United States explored similar technologies during the Cold War, primarily for use in spacecraft, underwater systems, and remote scientific stations. However, these earlier thermonuclear batteries were plagued by 2 major issues. They were expensive to produce, and perhaps more critically, they were large and unwieldy. Betavault's achievement in shrinking the technology to the size of a coin while maintaining its efficiency is what makes this new nuclear battery so groundbreaking. As Betavault moves toward mass production, the world will be watching closely to see how this innovation might reshape the future of energy. A battery that can last 50 years without charging or maintenance could revolutionize not only consumer electronics, but also healthcare, space exploration, and the global technology landscape. This nuclear-powered solution is more than just an incremental improvement. It could represent a fundamental shift in how we power the devices and systems that are becoming ever more integral to modern life. We hope you find it enlightening. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful contents. And we look forward of seeing you in next video.